Alright, we're at the Crown Tower in San Antonio, Texas with Caleb. I apologize about the audio that is completely muted for the beginning of this video because there's copyright music playing in the lobby, which is kind of little loud enough that it's too complicated to talk it over. Alright, we got this one right here. Otis Lexan 8.
Yes.
It's an annoying fan in there.
Phone.
Hit something in the doorway.
Oh boy, we're in a
See if that's classic leveling. Alright, let's go down to the lobby and then we're getting the video at the second floor so we can get the other car if we can do that.
Yeah.
Caleb. Looks like they redid the cap since Andrew filmed here, I think.
Yeah, this was. Still see the nameplate, the Otis plate on the far right, man.
Did they redid the cap since Andrew filmed these?
I believe so. Look right here.
Oh yes, stop so hard. Alright, let's close the door because there's music out there. Yeah, there's music out there. I want to get a copyright. Otis. Very 1960s, considering this being from 1973.
The River City, the Alamo City, it's got a lot to offer. You just gotta find what part of it you like.
Alright, this one has the working indicator. Ooh, it re-leveled.
Yeah, these elevators though, they aren't exactly the best condition.
It appears that they don't.
I don't know who's been maintaining it, but somebody's doing a bad job.
That indicator looks like it's seen better days, unlike the other one.
One thing, see this fire service?
And it beeped that time. Which one? Oh, that's made by Dover. We got music playing out there.
Yeah, the buttons
similar
are
to the other
wobbly,
elevator.
The door open and close buttons are wobbly.
Phone?
Yeah, wobbly, see. I hope they can fix it.
Is it okay if I do one more trip on this?
Go for it. It's all you
May I get a look at
get.
these? Whoa, it stopped so hard. It's your Otis nameplate. You got the classic logo. You're going up? You can come inside with your floor, ma'am.
5, please.
This one serves the 8th floor. The other one serves 7, I think. I can't remember.
Nah, it's still 8.
Oh, it's still 8? I'm sorry. I just can't remember stuff too well.
It's alright, man. I don't.
These are your fixtures. They're similar to the other elevator, except it's got the up and down arrow. Is your floor?
Mm-hmm.
Have a good day. Watch the button go out.
The door just moved, like it slightly moved, like it just went
And it beeps, which is quite annoying.
up. Look at this.
Well, that works.
It works.
I'm actually going to turn my camera off when I get off when we arrive at the lobby because there's copyright music playing out there, so I just prefer doing that. But I do love these fixtures. I've never seen an Otis Lexan with the up and down arrows on there. I wonder if that's used for a tenant service or something.
Probably. Considering that this building is so old.
Whoa, stop hard. Just watch the classic leveling. There it goes. You can exit out. You can exit out there. And with that being said, that'll be it.